Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to the series of videos in which we are using the dashboard as an example for you to explain that how powerful is Microsoft Excel VBA, and when you combine it with the backend Microsoft Access and you combine it with other applications like Microsoft Outlook, and then you use the VBA functionalities like monitoring of your Outlook folder, particular folder, right? And as soon as an email of a certain subject comes, and it directly landed into the particular folder, and the system keeps watching that folder as soon as an email is coming, so it just starts working immediately. So it's all done automatically, so it is developed such that it works of its own, no need of any human intervention. So for this we have uh, done a couple of things which we would like to share with you. The first thing we did is that in this sheet, this interface sheet, we use an area. These three cells, yellow highlighted, these are the hour, minute, and second, right? So when 45, it means on after every 45 minutes, seconds, after every 45 seconds, do something, right? What is that something? So so remember, the address of it is AC7, AD7, and AE7. Yeah, AD7, AE7, AF7, right? Okay, remember it, right? Okay, so we take you uh, to a procedure which is known as which is named as auto open, right? So we go to the step information, right? This is the step information. So uh, this is the procedure which is being used, and it, it is on auto open means as soon as the book is open, so this scheduling system automatically works, right? So it calls this schedule setup procedure, which is, you remember, AD7, AE7, and AF7. So this is a time string. So with every time it is called, it adds a 45 seconds to it and schedule it to do something. What is that something? That is low. This is the macro name. This is the procedure name which we have got in here. Yeah, this is the procedure name. This is going to be executed all means automatically every 45 minutes, right? And so we put a breakpoint here so that as soon as uh, these the system goes here, otherwise you won't know that whether system is working or not. So putting a breakpoint will make it yellow highlighted as soon as the 45-second span is over and it is executed. And if there is any item, you see, so 40 in the 45 seconds, it has automatically arrived here. Now it is checking if there is any item in the specified folder. So there is nothing. We have made it blank, nothing in there. So it won't do anything. It won't do anything, and it will go out. Right? That's it. And it will keep on checking, keep on checking. Now let's send something to our so this was the first thing that we have done is checking each time, every time it is the 45 seconds away, and then it starts working. And if there is something in the desired specific folder, then it will start doing the job. At the moment, it is just doing showing you that what has it encountered. We will explain it to you. So this is again doing it, not finding anything. So it is leaving it. Okay. So let's send an email so that we see that what happens as soon as it is. Otherwise, it won't even display any messages because there's nothing in the inbox, right? So in the Outlook, we did another thing that we made sure that as soon as a message has been entered, has arrived, as soon as a message has arrived, so this is a rule. We have as soon as a message is arrived with a which is directed to me, to my mailbox, then the rule is that it is having a subject. In the subject, it is a create user dashboard report, right? Okay. So this is when you click in here. So this is the, so let's copy it. And we send an email with this subject. So that would force our system to activate and start working automatically, right? So at the moment, there's no, so I made a copy of the subject with which I created the rule that if the incoming email has that subject, then move this item to this folder. As soon as it is moved into this folder, the Excel on every 45 seconds is watching. As soon as an item coming, so it is going to uh, uh, do the job and perform it, and will you will see that it's happening. Otherwise, it is just watching. Okay, so we take you to our Google different account, and we compose a message, and we put the exact that report create user, for example, right? And we are sending it to my own self, Amjad, Mahmood, Outlook. Yeah, this is the our, and here we write, for example, mm, mm, Jamil Berkeley. Okay. Okay, Jamil. So this is the message. This is the message which we are going to send to this our address. So as soon as it reaches, see what happens. So it is sent. Now we see that what would happen. So it is doing its job. It is watching on every 45 seconds, and then it is again seeing and checking whether it has to do something or not. So when there's no item, it will not do anything. And as soon as an email comes, it will start responding to you and to the commands which are said that you have a message and you are going to perform certain activity, right? So let's see. As soon as, yeah, now. Okay, you can see that it has figured out and it has displayed you that you have one item in your folder, right? And now we have put a stop here, and Jamil Berkeley, it has took uh, the item body text, whatever is written, that has been shown to you here. Okay, so this is just as well. In place of this, we can have the whole procedure of creation of the user. The user will be automatically created on the basis of the information which was provided through the email to the database, and it is going to be done all automatically. No need of any user intervention, and it will also later on generate the report and send the acknowledgement, then the status report to the sender of the request. Right. So this is how it is working. So in this part, we have not done any coding much of it. Only we have found that we have put this if conditional statement to find out is as soon as there is something in the target folder, then it should give you the message and start. And later on, you won't need any message to appear. Then you can comment it and disable this command and start doing the process which is required, the creation. What is the process? The creation of the user and creation of the report, right? So that would be done in these in place of this short routine. We will do that thing, and uh, mm, uh, that will make our dashboard more automated and fully means from anywhere from the world, anyone who writes to the database and shows his request, whether he wants the status report or whether he wants to perform a transaction or whether he wants to create a new user. So sending through the sending of email user. So he won't need any direct access to the database, direct application of Microsoft Excel, etc. Only the email is enough, and the email through the email he will be automatically responded that what is your status, and the acknowledgement will be sent. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.